Hi! Today we're going to be talking about sous-vide cooking. I have my INNOKA machine here right now. For those who don't know what sous-vide is, sous-vide in French means under vacuum. Basically, we're taking food, we're sealing it in an airtight container, and then submerging it into our tub of water. We're going to temperature control it and cook it for our desired amount of time.
One of the biggest advantages of sous-vide cooking is the enhanced flavors, texture, and tenderness of your food. Not to mention, because everything is sealed in a bag, none of the vitamins or minerals are lost in the cooking process.
So when you're using the sous-vide machine, you will need a system to seal your food.
Today, I'll be showcasing 3 different methods to seal your food. We'll be looking at the Foodsaver, the Stasher bag, and the INNOKA vac-pack system.
So here we have our typical Foodsaver or vacuum sealer, where you can take out the desired length of your bag. So for example, I cut it here, I can place my food within like the Stasher. The Stasher is great because you can reuse it, and so you don't have to throw it away each and every single time. So today, for example, we can take our asparagus spears and put it into our Stasher bag, which will seal, and then we can stick it into our sous vide. The Stasher can also be used in the oven, dishwasher safe, and you can also freeze foods in here, and you can keep on reusing the bag. So you just kind of take it, suck out all the air, and then seal it like so. What you could do is using something called INNOKA. INNOKA is a vacuum plug system. It's very similar to a vacuum sealer, but it's a little small contraption, and you can utilize really any bag, including the ones that they provide in the kit. Or you can also use a standard Ziploc bag. And so now I'm going to showcase how you would go about using this little plug. In a bag, you're going to open it up. There's 2 pieces to it. You're going to take the one with the pointy end and stick it inside the bag. You're going to puncture it through, so using the pointy end, puncture through the bag. And then you're going to take the other side and we're going to clasp it. So you should hear click. Next, in the bag, we're going to put in our food. So today I'm going to actually be cooking up some elk T-bone steak as well as a bison medallion. So just quickly, I'm going to season it with some Szechuan black pepper salt. Inside the bag now, we're going to put our T-bone steak that I've lightly seasoned, along with my bison medallion. Of course, if your meat takes different times to cook, you wouldn't want to put it in the same bag. Next is to seal the bag. So it comes with a little clip like so, and so you're going to attach it to the end. It's a little contraption or gadget. I'm going to stick it to the top, and we're going to pump out all the air. Just like so. So now we're going to cook these steaks in here for 1 hour. So even if you didn't have a sous vide machine, having a vacuum sealer or the INNOKA gadget is actually a great way to help preserve the nutrients in your pre-cut vegetables. I also really like it because having meat available like this makes it super easy when you meal prep on the weekends, and then they're ready to go on the weekdays. So you can have a couple of different options. Again, the vacuum sealer is slightly bigger and more expensive, whereas the INNOKA gadget comes just like this, and it's super tiny, and you can use it in a variety of different types of plastic bags. The Stasher is another great one just because it is reusable, silicone grade. So it's been an hour now, so we're gonna take out the steaks, and then I'm gonna stick in now my asparagus. So just 15 minutes. So while this is cooking, we're gonna sear our steaks. So into this hot pan, we're gonna go ahead and sear our steaks up. So these bags are not reusable, but this plug, you would want to remove it and save it for your next batch of sous vide cooking. With the steaks, this is just to kind of give the golden exterior, but it's not meant to be cooking it, just so you get this nice color and crispness. Let's see how it looks inside. I just gotta take a moment, savor this bite. Elk, like chicken breast as well as pork tenderloin, sometimes can get really tough and dry. But with the sous vide machine, because we're cooking at a very, very low temperature and at a temperature that's controlled, it really allows for a slow cooking process and tenderizing the meat perfectly. If you've never tried using the sous-vide cooking method, I highly recommend it, but definitely, again, you need a vacuum sealer or maybe the INNOKA gadget, so do invest in one of those as well. And until next time, relish every bite.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share your support by giving a thumbs up and sharing with your friends. Have an awesome day.